In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default font or text color for email in Outlook. If you want your emails to start with a consistent look every time without manually adjusting the font and color, this walkthrough will set that up for you in just a few clicks, using Outlook Classic on Windows. First, open Outlook Classic. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the File tab in the top left. Click File, then choose Options. This opens the Outlook Options window, where you control most of the app's behaviors and formatting settings. On the left side, select Mail. In the main panel, look for the section labeled Compose Messages. Here, click the button called Stationery and Fonts. This is where Outlook keeps the defaults for your message appearance. You'll land on the Personal Stationery tab. Under New Mail Messages, click the Font button. A font dialog box appears, letting you choose your typeface, the style such as regular or italic, the size, and the color. As you make selections, think about readability and professionalism. Fonts like Calibri, Arial, or Georgia tend to look clean across devices. For size, something in the 10 to 12 range works well for most people. For color, pick one with strong contrast against a white background. Deep grays or navy are safer than bright or very light colors. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to confirm. Back on the Personal Stationery tab, you can also set a different default for replies and forwards if you like. Under Replying or Forwarding Messages, click Font and choose a slightly smaller size or a more subtle color if you want your responses to look distinct while still readable. This is optional, but it can help visually separate your replies from new messages. When everything looks good, click OK to close the Stationery and Fonts window, then click OK again in Outlook Options to apply your changes. Your new defaults will now apply to HTML messages you compose going forward. They won't change how existing emails appear, and they won't override any formatting that recipients see if their mail client forces plain text. Also note that signatures are managed separately in the Signatures settings, so update those if you need them to match your new style. If your organization has branding guidelines, choose fonts and colors that align with those standards. That's it. Thanks for watching.